How to download any TikTok video without watermark. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download any TikTok video without the watermark. So first thing, you have to download this app like here. It's called TikTok downloader. You will find it in the Play Store. And then go to your TikTok and choose any video. For example, I'm gonna choose this video, and then go to the share option here down, click on it and swipe right and click on the other option right here, and after that click on the app that we just downloaded, and it will directly take you to the app and the video will be downloaded in easy fast way when you click download, as you can see, and everything will be done. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.